You know, man, as was correctly pointed out to me, as an extra class op, on 40 meters, I'm allowed to operate great privileges. I can operate anywhere using CW from there, from that frequency, all the way up to that frequency, 300 kilohertz. I think I'm going to start a net, a CW ops net. I've been a QRPer at heart for 45 years since I got my ticket in 1975 at the age of 15. Well, I've achieved DXCC finally after 45 years. It's time to travel different paths, to explore new avenues. I'm buying a kilowatt. I kind of like vintage Heathkit gear. I'm going to buy an SB220 and run an honest kilowatt of CW. I'm going to start a CW Ops kilowatt net. CW KW net. And here, I can operate CW in the phone portion of the band. I got to move. I mean, I was told that I can move as a QRPer. I don't have to stay on 7.060, right? Because there's lots of new technology. There's lots of digital ops out there, and I'm not coming down on them. I'm just coming down on them operating on 7.062. That's asinine. That's rude. It's viciously. It's antisocial behavior. I think we can agree on that, right? So I'm not operating there. I'm going to open my net there. I'm going to make that the CW KW net home frequency. We can move. We can move our kilowatt signals up or down a kilohertz or two as need be if this frequency in use. Let me see. No one there. I'm going to give it a practice try. Nothing heard. There will be something heard in another year after I've had my kilowatt and I operate on 7.070 24/7. Yeah, can't we just all get along? Well, we have been for 45 years until FT.star came along. By the way, I just sent CQ, KWnet, KWnet from November 8, November Kilo. Well, I sent from N8, NK. Just my opinion on things. Right or wrong. In my mind, I'm right, and that's all I care about. 73.